let's continue. So we were talking about prayers, and we said that that a woman even allowed to take care of some things. If without taking care of these things, she would not be able to continue. Shemoneh Esrei, right? For example, we said if there is no other choice, so she can change the baby, for example, right? So which is very interesting, and then come back. So and we said it depends how long did it take you to change the baby. For example, the baby is crying and she cannot concentrate. For example, even if she has let's say three last blessings left of the prayer, and she cannot concentrate. Period. Right? She cannot. So we said it depends how long it's going to take you to finish to finish changing the baby. If it's going to take more time than all of the time that takes to pray Shemoneh Esrei from the beginning to the end, then she has to restart Shemoneh Esrei. If not, so she can continue from the place where she left off. Okay, so continue. Holding an item during the Shemoneh Esrei. As we said before, one should not hold any items, should not have any distraction during the Shemoneh Esrei. Okay, so let's see. One should not hold anything during the recital of Shemoneh Esrei, because one would focus on the item so that it does not fall. Okay, thereby disturbing one's concentration. This is true not only for Shemoneh Esrei, but for any other part of the davening as well. So davening is a prayer. Okay. This restriction including not holding a child. If one cannot concentrate unless the child is held at that time, one cannot daven and one cannot daven later, then the child may be held. Some poskim rule that one may not hold even a tissue while davening Shemoneh Esrei. So it's actually it applies to women. Of course, even more it applies to men. So I mean, of course, if you need to hold the siddur while you pray, there is no problem whatsoever, right? But all other things, so it's absolutely forbidden. Why? Because of the concentration. So people start playing these things, and then they tend to look at them. Okay. Again, if child, I mean, she has no choice. Little baby and crying, baby is sick, whatever. So she can hold the child. There is no problem. Okay. If as we said, she knows there is no other. That's the only opportunity. There is no other time. So if there is possibly maybe child is going to fall asleep, so try to pray later. The one item that one is allowed to hold while davening is a siddur or a muktzeh. So muktzeh is the book that we use for holidays. So there is actually our scroll version, I think I said before, but maybe not. So that has all of the muktzeh for all of the holidays. So so for example, I use regular siddur for all of the holidays besides the Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur. But you have to know what to pray and when to jump to this place, beginning of the book, end of the book, in the middle here, and like I mean, for a person who does not want all of these headaches and remember does not he does not want to remember all of this addition, and here we say this word, that word, so they just simply buy this muktzeh, and if you read the text, so they already put all of this right phrases in the right place, and you cannot go wrong. But not many people do it, but whoever do it out of the convenience, I think it's very great idea. Muktzeh. Okay. Also, if one is in public and won't be able to concentrate for a fear of a lost of an object, is set down, and one cannot daven later, one may hold the item. Okay, I give you this example. I mean, so he's saying that maybe she's in an airport, right? And she's in this with her pocketbook, right, with all of the like passports and money and I don't know, all these things, right? So IDs, so of course she wants to hold it. So it would be one of those exceptions. And of course, if she would put down, somebody can take it, snatch it. So okay. Or another example, I would give maybe like a coat, and there is simply no clean place to put it down. Or no place to put it down. Let's put it this. So also you're allowed to hold it. Okay.